India may soon see its biggest tax reset since 2017. The Finance Ministry has proposed a two-rate GST structure, 5 and 18%, with special rates on handful of items. PM's Diwali promise. On Independence Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi promised reforms before Diwali. He said the new system will cut tax burdens and benefit small industry.
साथियों, इस दिवाली में आपकी डबल दिवाली का काम मैं करने वाला हूं। पिछले 8 साल से हमने जीएसटी का बहुत बड़ा रिफॉर्म किया। पूरे देश में टैक्स के बर्डन को कम किया, टैक्स की व्यवस्थाओं को सरल किया और 8 साल के बाद समय की मांग है कि हम एक बार उसको रिव्यू करें। हमने एक हाई पावर कमेटी को बिठा करके रिव्यू शुरू किया, राज्यों से भी विचार विमर्श किया और मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, हम नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जीएसटी रिफॉर्म्स लेकर के आ रहे हैं। ये दिवाली के अंदर आपके लिए तोहफा बन जाएंगे। सामान्य मानवीय की जरूरतों के टैक्स भारी मात्रा में कम कर दिए जाएंगे।
Finance Ministry Blueprint. The proposals shared with the group of ministers rest on 3 pillars: structural reforms, rate rationalization, and ease of living. Some highlights include lower taxes on everyday goods and aspirational products, a shift from 4 slabs, 5, 12, 18, 28 to just 2, end of compensation cess, creating fiscal room for reforms, fixes to inverted duty structures to aid local manufacturing, seamless registration, pre-filled returns, and faster refunds. Economist Ved Jain calls the shift overdue.
Prime Minister announcement is basically to announce that 8 years have gone for the GST and we have a lot of experience. Collections have improved. I believe the data analysis which is being carried out, AI being used. On that basis, the GST Council is seized of these issues. You will recall when this GST was introduced, it was introduced as one nation, one tax. And the idea was to bring at least, if not more, but at least 2 rate structure. But considering the fact that it was a transition happening from VAT to GST, first time experience, so there was a possibility that the revenue collection may not be of that level which the government expects. So the government has gone with the 4 tax rates, 6, 12, 18 and then 28%. Now I believe that after 8 year experience, the thought process is that we should try to reduce this number of tax rates. And what I see is there will be 2 tax rates. One is the standard rate, which will be worked out between, I believe, somewhere between 12 to 18. In between the rate will be worked out. And another will be merit rate, which is some day-to-day consumer goods which need a concessional rate. Those are merit goods, daily consumption goods. And then there will be a third, is a special rate, which is a demerit good, which we call luxury item, etc. So,
Electronics industry leader Pankaj Mohindru says fewer slabs will help demand.
GST was an extraordinary reform and it was committed that GST will not increase tax on the general public. But it has gone up in some pockets like mobile phones and electronics. So the overall rationalization into fewer slabs is very much on the cards because we have to prepare for Viksit Bharat 2047. So that requires a completely different vyavastha, as they say. And I think GST reforms will put more money in the pocket of consumers. It will stimulate demand and it will be good for the industry and the consumers.
FICCI has welcomed the review, saying it will cut compliance, simplify business, and strengthen India as a manufacturing hub. So why it matters? GST collection hit a record 22.08 lakh crore in 2024-25, up 9.4%. It shows the system has matured. Now the focus shifts to simplification. So what's next? The GST Council, led by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, meets in September to take up the proposal. If cleared, Diwali could mark the start of a leaner, simpler tax regime.